Hey, this is Les Per and I want to tell you in this video how you can help the people in the North Carolina mountains that have been disenfranchised and had their property destroyed by Hurricane Helene. A lot of people have been asking, how can I help? Well, what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you some information on how you can help. One great way is to donate money, but you got to be careful about who you give money to. There are going to be a lot of scam artists, scam organizations that are going to try to take advantage of this disaster. What you need to know is who are the legitimate organizations that you can donate your money to and be assured that that money will be used to help the hurricane victims. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a list of those right now, and then you can go on the internet and you can connect to them and you can see which one or maybe more than one that you would like to help. So here we go. Okay, now what we have here is where to donate to help Hurricane Helene victims. We have the American Red Cross, of course. Everybody knows about them. Some others that you may not know about is AmeriCare's Emergency Response Team. That's local to North Carolina. Baptist on Mission. These are the North Carolina Baptist Disaster Relief Team. Salvation Army of the Carolinas. Samaritan's Purse is the organization that is headed by Franklin Graham, who is Billy Graham's son, and I'll show you kind of a video in just a minute about them and about what they're doing. North Carolina Community Foundation, the Foster Family Alliance of North Carolina. That's not just foster families, they're going out to help the disenfranchised, those who need help. Team Rubicon was one that I didn't know about, but it was recommended to me, and so you might want to take a look at their website. Water Mission, as it says, provides water. Mercy Chefs, these are people who will provide food. So we have the list of all these that you can donate money to with the appropriate link to their website. So I hope that helps you. Now here's a video from Samaritan's Purse about what they are doing in the North Carolina mountains to help people.
Hi, I'm Edward Graham with Samaritan's Purse, and right now I'm in the parking lot of my home church, Alliance Bible Fellowship in Boone, North Carolina. And the high country of North Carolina has just been decimated by this recent hurricane. Worst flooding I've ever seen in the 45 years of my life. A lot of damaged homes. People have lost their lives here in this community. But Samaritan's Purse is responding. We're sending equipment up here, and volunteers will be going out this Monday, starting to help in this community. The medical system here and also in nearby Avery County, they've asked for help. So as we deploy our teams to help recover from these floods, we're also helping medically. We need your help. We need your support. So if you want to get involved, go to SamaritansPurse.org and sign up.
All right, so those are some places that you can donate money to in order to help the people in North Carolina mountains. Now you can just pause the video and do a screenshot of that list of the organizations. But I'm also going to put the organizations and their links down in the description below, and you can get to them that way as well. Okay? Hope you have a great day. See you later.